My name is Manfred Krohmann. I'm a civil engineer, a structural engineer, co-founder of Bollinger & Krohmann. We started this structural engineering office some 35 years ago in Frankfurt. Actually, right now, in total, we have about 220 engineers and a few architects working with us, and per year about 200 or 300 projects of different scale. As a young kid, I've started working with construction kits, metal kits, and on school later, engineer would be a good thing, and so I ended up becoming a civil engineer. The most satisfying thing is you start with an idea, then you have it on the paper, and 2 years later you can walk inside. That's exciting, still exciting for me. The situation we are now faced all over the world, we normally do not work for clients anymore. We work for investors, we work for developers who know from the beginning that at latest with the finishing of the construction, they have sold the whole thing to someone else. With these investors, they are not so really interested in innovation. They are simply interested in less money for more space. Right now, the whole building sector is waiting for a disruptor. Someone will come and turn everything upside down. What we do right now, pouring the concrete on our site and making so much noise, using so much energy, this will not be the future. I'm really convinced of this. I'm quite convinced that it will go quite strong into the direction of prefabrication. First of all, it is speeding up construction time. You just have to bolt the things together on site. The second thing is it reduces the impact that comes along with the construction site. For the neighbors and for all the people, you can coordinate your transport. You can put your transport into time slots when there's not much traffic. And now working for a client who wants to keep the building, who is working for himself. We as an engineer, our heart opens, we can propose new things, and if we are able to convince the client. So this is really then a very good, very interesting situation, and we already started developing new things, doing new things, and which have not been done before. When you think of sustainability should be much more than only minimizing energy consumption. Sustainability should cover the whole life cycle of a building from cradle to cradle, not from cradle to grave, but from cradle to cradle. So when you can dismantle things, like you put them together, you can reuse them, or with steel, you can reuse any kilogram of steel that you take out of the building. We are developing a prefabricated system on the basis of Cofferadal, which brings the finished surface for the interior architecture with it. Everything prefabricated and just put together on site. Steel gives you all the flexibility you want to have. And flexibility is one important thing for me, also for the sustainability of buildings. You can shape it in any form, and you can reuse it for 100%. The future of planning will be parametric. New things will develop, and when these things will develop, the border of the discipline between the architect and the engineer will become very open. What is driving me is that I know I have the experience that the better is the enemy of the good. So just to improve things and have new developments and try to work on a future that will be even better than our today.